I think my friend has been there because I've heard this name. Orford.
Going in is dangerous, guys. Zagreb.
In Canada there are these places, London, Delhi, and all these. New York में भी है, New Delhi.
That's the name of restaurant.
No, the small towns called London, Delhi.
Today we're going on a walk with, introduce yourself,
Jag and Loda.
with Jagrit, Bye,
And Loda Behan.
Squirrel, and Laura Ben,
And 3 other guys
who are very slow. Yes. And we are at Green Lakes.
Yep.
Bestow us some words of wisdom, Jag.
The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I've got promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep. And miles to go before I sleep.
Damn! Who wrote that?
Robert Frost.
Robert Frost! And where is Robert Frost buried?
In the ground.
Where is Robert Frost buried?
In the ground.
Where in the grounds? Oh, I accidentally zoomed in. In Vermont!
Yes!
Yes!
I didn't know that.
Well, I know that because I'm from Vermont.
No, हम काफी दूर आ चुके हैं.
We have 4 more minutes, bro.
चल ना यार.
भाई 4 और मिनट है यार. Come on, bro.
वो लोग बहुत पीछे है.
Doesn't matter. We'll catch up. We can run. Laura can run.
Are you recording?
Yes, what do you have to say to the people?
Savor every moment.
Yes.
No. I'll say what they would have said. What was he saying that day?
Oh yeah.
Love is not equation.
Love freely.
Love freely.
Love is not an
an equation.
Love is not an equation.
It's not.
What if
Go
it
to
is?
Yellow Delhi.
I was just thinking, is it just a biochemical reaction,
I think it
or is
is.
it more than that?
I think it's more than that also.
Yeah, but it is also a biochemical reaction.
True.
Bond.
See the little one?
Yes.
See, one little one. It's the
Ah.
only one left.
Oh.
There were many, now only one.
Oh no.
Yeah, look, yeah.
I'm
Every-
actually also creating an app for like pets where you can like go and trade it with other pets like for dogs and you get my point, like another person also with a dog you can like look them up online,
Hello, bro.
you can like
Hello.
schedule and meet them. I'm working on that idea.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. How do you feel about it?
For me, it's a time thing, but I think I'm lucky to get out right now, you know. But I think many people would be interested in it, especially out here. I see groups, you know, sometimes, not groups, but, you know, 2, 3 people. Yeah.
Got it.
So I think, yeah.
Chalo?
This is for my birds, really. So when I see the birds now, I go. He lost his mama.
Oh
no.
Oh. You come here every day?